Look at that call button, it's upside down. Indicator's burnt out. I'm going to be taking this everyone's favorite elevator. And don't close button does not work because we don't care. H&M Roosevelt Field Mall in Garden City. Three, two, one. Listen to this behemoth. Wow. Now, lower level. Like I said, don't close button does not work. This thing hasn't changed since the door operator. Here are your fixtures, and yes, I do like AC Premium. Here at the lower level. Takes forever to level. Anyways, let's close the door first. Wait. Okay. That will be it.